So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your Ethereum ERC20 wallet address in your Trust wallet. So basically, you will be needing your Trust wallet to be downloaded on your mobile device, and by simply clicking it or opening it, you have to link your current wallet if you have an existing one, but if you don't, just simply click the create new wallet. After that, you will redirect to this page, and basically, for you to be able to find it and copy your wallet address, you need to utilize your search icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen, and use the search bar to search for Ethereum. And once you search in, make sure that the ETH or Ethereum that you will click in is on the Ethereum base or Ethereum network. So after clicking on it, make sure that the button that you will click is on the receive button, because if you click on the receive button, it will allow you to receive ETH or Ethereum to a Ethereum network as well from different exchanger or different cryptocurrency, dApps or anything. So after you click the receive button, you will see like this, which is the QR code, which other exchanger can scan it for them to able to send you ETH in Ethereum network. Or just simply click the copy button, which is the wallet address is already copied and you can still paste it on another exchanger for you to receive an ETH or Ethereum in Ethereum based network. So that's how you find and copy your Ethereum ERC20 wallet address in Trust Wallet. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.